small bumps on your tongue have been identified as a possible symptom of coronavirus. Researchers say that skin rashes in the mouth should be recognized as a sign that a patient has COVID-19. The study examined hundreds of patients at temporary field hospital that treated patients as the coronavirus Madrid, Spain. The mean age of the patients was 56 and 58% of them were female, reports The Sun. Just under half of the patients had mucocutaneous manifestation, immune deficiency syndrome, with the hands and feet being particularly affected. But a quarter of patients had a rash inside the mouth, the most common of which was transient lingual papillitis, which manifests as small red or white bumps on the tongue. It comes after a King's College London and the British Association of Dermatologists study that also linked skin rashes to coronavirus. Veronique Bataille, a consultant dermatologist who led the Covid skin research, said, "Our research shows that rashes can be more predictive of COVID-19 than fever and cough, particularly in children. We found that 1 in 6 children gets a rash without any other classical symptoms. For most, COVID-19 rashes last for a few weeks and eventually disappear. In some cases, prescribed medication may be needed if the rash is very itchy." Close quote. Images were collected via the Covid Symptom Study app, which was launched in March to help scientists gather information about the symptoms of COVID-19. They indicate that 8 types of rash could be signs of COVID-19, including red toes and fingers, chest eczema and pityriasis rosea. The Covid Symptom Study app revealed that around 9% of coronavirus patients reported a body rash or a rash on their fingers or toes, while rashes were twice as common in children. According to the data, rashes may appear before, during, or after other symptoms, and sometimes weeks later. Dr. Tanya Bleiker, president of the British Association of Dermatologists, said, "The association between certain rashes and COVID-19 has become increasingly clear, and being able to recognize these is crucial for reducing the spread of the disease. We're delighted to announce the launch of the COVID-19 Skin Signs Image Gallery with the Covid Symptom Study team. The extensive library will be an invaluable resource for both healthcare professionals and members of the public in helping to identify rashes which may indicate COVID-19 infection, particularly in those who are otherwise asymptomatic." Close quote.